Hey everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Jamie, and this is where I focus on my dividend investing portfolio. This morning I put $1,000 into my account, and I will go through and be transparent with all my purchases, why I'm purchasing the stocks, with ultimately the aim of 10, 20, 30 years down the line being able to live financially free on dividend investments. So if we go over to my homepage here, and I'll go through when I started the account and basically the history from the start. So at the bottom there, you can see on the 5th of December, I invested $20 into the account. And when I started the account, I also used a referral code where I was given $5.59 as a bonus stock. With that $5.59, I invested it into Amazon. Me and my wife use Amazon a lot. It's at a really low price at the moment. I see it going up in the future. So this portfolio is primarily focused on dividend stocks, but when I see a great opportunity for a growth stock such as Amazon at the moment, I'm absolutely going to buy it. So with the remaining 20 that I actually put into the account, I bought 3 shares of Armour Residential with an average price of $5.85 a share. This is a realty company that pay monthly, and for each share, they pay 10 cents per month. So if you could just see at the top there, we have an Armour Residential dividend for 30 cents for the 3 shares, which was paid out to me on the 28th of December. With the remaining $2.45 of my initial $20 investment, I invested that into Amazon as well. And you can see at the moment, at the bottom, it was purchased with the average share price being $91 a share, which is less now. So if we go back to the homepage, we got 1,030 cents of buying power. That 30 cents there is the dividend from Armour Residential. And I'm going to go through today and spend $1,000 on stocks. So right here, if you look at my watch list, I've got Intel. Currently, Intel's trading at $26.15 a share. And over the last year, it's down 49%. I think it's an awesome time to buy. I read an article this morning that the Italian Prime Minister to meet with Intel to facilitate a chip factory in Europe. This company is not going anywhere. With all of the investment at the moment with the the US government for chip factories, which the Taiwan semiconductor company have just got a contract. I think Intel are also looking to get some money for that as well. So I'm going to buy some shares of Intel. And I'm going to buy 10 shares for a total of $261.50. And I swipe up to submit that. There we go. Now in 10 shares of Intel. And no, I don't want to do any of that. Brilliant. So if we go down here, they've got a dividend yield of 5.72%. They pay quarterly. I think the last share was 35 cents a share, and they've been increasing their dividend yield over the last 5 to 7 years, I think it was. So for me, that seems like a great investment. So there we go, our current stocks. We own 10 shares of Intel, 3 shares of Armour Residential, and a smidge of Amazon there. Now, to get those dividends up and eventually reach a target of around $100 a month of passive income, I'm going to need to invest into a monthly payer. And JEPI, which is the JP Morgan fund right here, is a 14% yield. I did do a video a while back about potentially investing into QLD when I got my portfolio up and going. I'm not going to invest in QLD. I think all arrows point at the moment to JEPI. So I'm going to buy 10 shares of JEPI there. So $546. There we go. Order submitted. I do not want to set up a recurring dividend yet. 10 shares of JEPI, 10 shares of Intel, 3 shares of Armour Residential, and a smidge of Amazon. And if you look there, I've still got $192 worth of buying power. and I'm going to buy more Armor Residential. I bought 3 shares at a average price of $5.85 a share, so it's below my average cost at the moment. And let's see, 20, by 27 shares, so we get a total of 30 shares total. Well, let me do it. Fantastic. I've still got $38.22 left to invest. Now, I never want to see money in my buying power, so I'm going to, if the money's there, it's not being invested, my money's not earning money, so I'm going to be investing that $38.22 into, let's put it into Amazon. I'm going to start using Amazon as whatever I've got left at the end. I can just top it up into something, and I mean, look at that, Amazon, $83.50 a share at the moment. Over the last month, they're down nearly 10%. 3 months, 27, and over the year, 50% with a high, what's that, about $165. I'm not going to sell anytime soon. My whole idea of investing is to purchase these stocks and hold on to them for as long as I can. Down the line, if I see Amazon make 100% on my investment, then sure, I'll do it and I'll put that money towards something else. So let's use the last of my investment here. Let's buy in dollars, and I've got $38.22 left to invest. I'll review that, swipe up, and there we go. I've used all my buying power and I've invested $1,025 in total there. So I've got 10 shares of JEPI that will pay me monthly. I've got 10 shares of Intel that will pay me quarterly. I've got 30 shares of Armor Residential, so at 10 cents a share will be paying me $3 per month, so $36 over the year for my investment of $172, which I think is a really good return. And actually going back to Armor Residential, I did a video on this stock, and at the time it wasn't this low. I mean, you look, they never really financially recovered after the drop there at $20.50, but you're looking at $12, $10 over the last, say, year. I mean, I see this stock as, if I get 100 shares, I'll be getting $10 a month, $120 a year, and within a few years' time, I'm sure this stock will go back up to $10 to $12 a share. So I would have made that capital gain as well on the stock price. So there we go. I mean, this is my portfolio. This is the beginning of something that I'll be investing into weekly. I'll be setting up $250 recurring deposits, and I will be making videos every single week on what I purchase. So if you enjoyed the content, if you're looking forward to more dividend content on what I'm buying, the reason why I'm buying these stocks, and what if I see a deal, if I see an opportunity to sell, then I will always log and be as transparent as I can with my purchases. So if you're interested in that, please like and subscribe my channel. It'll really help me in the long run. It'll get this content out to more people who are interested and invested into dividend and growth stocks. And yeah, apply the ringer, so every time I upload a video, you'll get to see a new one. All right, well, thanks for your time.